Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to move symbol in MS Word. Moving a symbol in Microsoft Word depends entirely on how you inserted it. Symbols usually behave in one of two ways, like regular text or like an independent graphic. So first method is the drag and drop method, in which you have highlighted the symbol with the mouse. So click and hold your mouse button over the highlighted symbol and drag your cursor to the new location within your text, like here. If you want to move it here, like this one. If you want to move to the another place, just drag it and move it here. So another method is that you need to highlight the symbol and press Ctrl X and place the cursor to the new location and Ctrl V to paste it. Moreover, if you want to nudge a text-based symbol slightly up, down, left or right to make it align perfectly with your words, for this you need to highlight the symbols and then go to the Home tab and click on this small arrow and click on the Advanced tab, and here is the position. You just need to select the position. If you want to select the normal in the preview, you can see that. Click OK to proceed, and here you can see that it is aligned with the text. Again, go to the Home, click on this arrow, click on the Advanced, and now this time select Lowered. Click OK, and now here you can see that it is incrementally a lowered position. Again, select it, go to the Home, click on this arrow, Advanced, and now this time select the Raised. Click OK, and it is incrementally a little bit up. So with this way you can easily move symbol in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.